Healing here, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to run a successful self-publishing business. So if you want to learn how to be successful in the self-publishing world, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and let's dive into the content. So here's a few things I've written down. So the first thing you're going to need to do is niche selection. Arguably one of the most important phases of self-publishing. You need to carefully do your research and do your due diligence and select a profitable niche. Well, sorry, all niches are profitable, but what I'm saying is you need to research and define your customer avatar, right? You need to understand their needs and hone in and narrow down who they are. So you got to niche down and just solve their problems and serve them better than your competitors, right? That's the first stage that you're going to do. Then you're going to need to find profitable keywords. Remember, your niche can be profitable. However, if you don't find a profitable keyword, it's a useless endeavor, right? So you need to find profitable keywords, and there are different ways of doing that. You can use KDP Rocket, and you can use Amazon's auto suggestion feature to auto populate you results to learn how to find profitable keywords. And then Amazon Marketing Services. So this is something fairly relatively new, I guess I could say, but Amazon has now monetized their way of marketing for us self-publishers. They're monetizing us, so we're spending money on their platform so that we can get front row exposure to their customers, right? So this is an essential part of self-publishing, especially in 2019 now. Gone are the days of 2015, 2016, and even 2017 for that matter. Those days where organically ranking, all you needed to do was, get reviews, publish a book, and that was that, and you would rank organically on Amazon. And that's all a lot of six-figure publishers did. But now the landscape and terrain has changed drastically, and you need to pay for Amazon Marketing Services and to really take your stake in the marketplace, right? So you really need to learn how to master Amazon marketing. It's one of the most important elements to self-publishing. And then, of course, what I call the gatekeeper before you make a sale, copywriting. You see, copywriting is an underestimated art. It does an underestimated element. So it's definitely a skill and a talent you need to develop, or at the least, I should say, outsource, right? You need to outsource it if you can't do it yourself, or develop the skill. Copywriting is extremely important because this is a gatekeeper between you and your money, right? Let's say, you do this, the Amazon Marketing Services, right? You do the keyword, right? You do the right niche, you select the right niche, but guess what? If your copywriting sucks, you can say bye-bye to your money, right? You need to learn how to develop copywriting skills. And this is something, all these things that I'm talking about is something I teach in Passive Income Publishing Academy, just to let you know. I'll leave a link in the description. But yes, copywriting is such a highly sought after skill set. I've mentioned in another video, light copywriters like Anik Singhal get paid anywhere between $150,000 to $200,000 for their services to copyright, because copywriting is the art of selling, basically, in words, right? It's persuasion, right? So definitely something you need to learn. Covers are definitely one of the most underrated elements to self-publishing, because people don't realize that people do judge a book by its cover. Let's say you got the copywriting right, but guess what? You can't get to the copywriting if you don't have the right cover in place, because it's the cover that's going to initially draw your attention, that's going to capture your customer's attention. So you need to have good covers, high quality premium covers. And then you need to diversify. So ebooks, paperback, audiobooks, and publishing aggregates outside of Amazon. So diversify, and then just rinse and repeat, right? Rinse and repeat the process. And that's how you become successful in self-publishing in 2019 and beyond. Again, I have a course out called Passive Income Publishing Academy, where I talk about everything, the whole 9 yards, niche selection, keywords, how to 10x your keywords, the difference between certain keywords, how to leverage keywords, how to create, book series and brands, Amazon marketing, my amplified book launch strategy. It's like, I call it, in the lesson, a steroid book launch strategy, because it's just that, right? And this will give you a huge advantage over all your competitors. And then I teach you how to copyright even. I give you my personal style of copywriting, and you can emulate that if you'd like. I literally line after line. I show you how to copyright. I even show you the HTML behind it. Covers. I give you my personal book cover designer, and I ultimately show you how to diversify outside of Amazon and in Amazon to make the most money. So that's going to be all for this video. Like, subscribe, and share. If you're interested in the course, remember, it's in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.